Hey guys, it's Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe, practicing social distancing. Today I'm going to give you a great tour of a home at 2544 Tuscan Hills Lane. The home is a 3-bedroom with a loft, 3.5 baths. It's 2831 square feet. Just a great family home. Come on in and let's take a look around. When you walk into the home, you have this you have a formal living room, dining room area. Off the formal living room and dining room, you have this great kitchen, tons of countertop space, you have an island, it is a gas stove and it comes with the refrigerator as well. You have a nice eating area here with a wine bar or a wet bar here, and then it opens up to the family room, which has a fireplace and ceiling fan. Just a great family gathering area right here. The upstairs on this home has all the bedrooms and a loft. Right now I'm standing in the master bedroom. It's a huge master bedroom. You have this great fireplace, a beautiful bathroom with a garden tub, a shower stall, large master closet, double sinks, and you have this great balcony off of here that has views to the north of the Dona Anas, and there are some views of the Oregon Mountains as well. Now I'm standing in one of the other bedrooms of this home. This floor plan has this kind of junior suite, which has its own walk-in closet and its own bathroom with a tub shower combo in it. Just a great floor plan. My daughter would have loved this room. The upstairs has this great loft as well. Could be used as a game room, playroom, office if you needed to. You could easily enclose it as well if you wanted to make it a 4-bedroom. Just some great options with this floor plan. The other guest bedroom is a decent size and it's right next to the guest bathroom that has double sinks and a tub shower combo.
Go.
One of the great things about this home is the huge backyard. I mean, there is options for swimming pool, gym set, whatever you want to do out here. Currently, it has rock, you have some grass, it is set up on sprinkler system. There is nobody behind you, so you have views to the north of the Dona Anas and just the blue skies of New Mexico. Guys, I really want to thank you for taking this tour of 2544 Tuscan Hills Lane today. Again, it's an incredible home. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a loft. It does have a 3-car garage. No neighbors behind you. You have this huge backyard. Just a great home. So please give me a call. It's 2831 square feet, so plenty of room. Give Ron Bruder a call at 575-312-7330 or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlostcruces.com. Thanks guys, have a great day.